So it's day 2 in our Kazakhstan trip. We are in Almaty. It's 1st of January. The city is pretty dead because everybody is having rest after yesterday night. We were not able to go and have fun yesterday or to see fireworks, even though we did wake up for that. But it was raining, half snowing. The weather was quite disgusting, so we didn't really leave the hotel. Gladly, we were able to see some fireworks in the distance from the window. Right now, we are trying to take a stroll between some landmark central mosque and now the cathedral. However, the weather still sucks. The kids are not happy with the places we're taking them. So we better find some warm place to drink some tea and coffee, get some moods up, because it's not getting any better. Look at Matteo there, all upset. Oh, tu cosa volevi fare, piccolo Jimmy? Cosa vuoi fare?
Eccoci qua. Buona? Happy? No, quando arriviamo.
It's day 3 in Almaty. We are going to Kok Tobe, to the area of TV Tower, because we hope to go with the fast coaster, the one we enjoyed so much in Austria. Now we are gonna enjoy in Kazakhstan if it's open.
Non c'è piccola.
Come no? Piccoli che mangiano questi purè.
Tanto piccolo è piccolo. Cosa vuoi? 4 box.
Caffè con frutti di bosco. Vuoi molto dolce o poco dolce?
Tanto.
Tanto dolce.
Io qui sono. Con cioccolato no. Con cioccolato? Sì. Io faccio. Hello.
Video! Anche tu. Cadi adesso. Okidoki. Rischiare? Papà Gigi adesso si stacca. L'ultimo secondo. No, sicuramente no. Vediamo, guardate là, si vede il coaster, qualcuno scende.
Devi scendere.
Sai che la cacca è molto importante perché nell'Uzbekistan fanno cacca.
Quando siamo in Uzbekistan, lo sai?
Oh, che cacca. Sei sicuro che vuoi combattere con me?
So our trip to Kok Tope, as well as the whole day that we spent so far, was a complete disaster. First off, we arrived to the area of the cable car to only discover that Danny was not allowed on the fast coaster because he is 6 years old and not 7. Then we thought, should we even go up? Because the prices are not really budget friendly, I would say, especially if you're a family. Especially considering that you don't see a thing because it's all white. And you can't even access to the TV tower because we are actually up now. But we can't even see the tower because there is no access. So the road is closed, you can't see a thing. It's very questionable kind of entertainment. There are plenty of rides to make you spend even more money. Prepare a big pocket if you are here as a family and willing to visit. Believe it or not, the only highlight of the day has been a visit to Starbucks because it was the only thing indoors, hot and nice and cozy, and the kids were staying all put together and they were not freaking out. Actually, we might consider going to the cinema to turn this day around. That's the only plan that we have that shows some promise. The rest only shows more disappointment and failure. At least there is some snow. Yay! And a monkey. Ah! The forest monkey's here! Watch out! Run away!
Siamo bloccati, ragazzi.
Guarda troppo veloce. Guarda là, fratello.
Troppo veloce! Ehi, Cicino, curva! Curva! Come si vede alto qua,
Wow. Che va da solo?
Si scende! Si sale!
Wow.
Oh no! Sì, così per gigante.
Breakfast for the giants. Giant spoon. Giant hot dogs.
troppo stupida sto oggi, perché abbracciarsi per guardare solo un video. Che cavolo è?